Imagine you tap one button on your phone and in less than 1 second, a video from the other side of the world appears on your screen. No magic, no teleportation, no superpowers. So how does this actually happen? Today, I'll explain how the internet works in the simplest way possible, with a story anyone can understand. Meet Sam. Sam is a normal person. One day, Sam opens a phone and types, youtube.com. 1 second later, videos appear. Sam looks at the phone and says, "Wait, how did my phone talk to a computer that could be in another country?" Great question, Sam. Let's follow what really happens step by step. First, let's clear one thing up. The internet is not a cloud in the sky. It's not magic. It's just millions of computers connected together with cables. Some of these computers are in offices. Some are in big buildings called data centers. All these computers talk to each other using cables, Wi-Fi, and signals. That's it. That's the internet. Just a huge network of connected computers. When Sam types youtube.com and presses enter, the phone sends a message. That message is basically saying, "Hello, I want the YouTube website. Please send it to me." This message is called a request. But Sam's phone doesn't know where YouTube lives. So first, it asks a helper. The phone asks something like an internet phone book. This is called DNS. Don't worry about the name. Just imagine a big phone book that says, "Oh, you're looking for YouTube? Their computer lives over here." So DNS tells Sam's phone the address of YouTube's computer. Now Sam's phone knows where to send the message. Sam's request now starts traveling. It goes from YouTube's computer along the way. It passes through many places, like checkpoints on a road trip. But here's the cool part. The message doesn't travel as one big piece. It gets broken into many small pieces called packets. Each packet is like a tiny envelope with part of the message inside. These packets can take different paths, but they all try to reach the same place, YouTube's computer. When YouTube's computer gets these packets, it understands, "Oh, someone wants to see my website." So YouTube's computer sends back a response. It sends the website the text, the images, and later the video. Again, this is sent in many small packets. Those packets travel all the way back to Sam's phone. Sam's phone receives all these tiny packets. Then it puts them back together like a puzzle. And suddenly, boom, collision, the YouTube website appears on Sam's screen. All of this happens in less than 1 second. When Sam clicks a video, the same thing happens again. The phone says, "Hey YouTube, send me this video." YouTube doesn't send the whole video at once. It sends it in small pieces, little by little. That's why the video can start playing before it fully downloads. Your phone is watching the video while still receiving the next pieces. Pretty smart, right? These big computers are called servers. Servers are just powerful computers that store websites, videos, photos, send data to people like Sam. They live in big buildings called data centers. Some websites have thousands of servers all over the world so people can get data faster. Now here's something most people don't know. A huge part of the internet travels through cables under the ocean. Real cables on the ocean floor. So when Sam watches a video from another country, that data might travel under the sea through cables to reach the phone. No satellites, just very long cables. The internet itself is not smart. It doesn't think, it doesn't decide. It just moves data from one computer to another as fast as possible. The smart part is in your phone, the servers, the apps, the software. The internet is just the road system they use. So in very simple words, you ask for a website or video, your phone finds where it lives, your request travels through the internet, the other computer sends data back, your phone puts it together, you see the website or video, that's it. That's how the internet works. No magic, just computers talking to computers very, very fast. Now you know what really happens when you open a website.